In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Solflare wallet. If you're new to Solana, Solflare is a popular non-custodial wallet that lives right in your browser, making it easy to hold tokens and connect to apps securely. We'll walk through the download and installation process from start to finish, and I'll share a few safety tips along the way so you know you're installing the real thing. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer. Any modern browser will work, but the extension we're installing is designed for Chrome and other Chromium-based browsers, so using one of those will give you the smoothest experience. Make sure your browser is up to date and that you have a stable internet connection. Next, go to the address bar at the top of the browser window. Type the name of the Solflare website into the address bar and press enter. Using the address bar rather than a search box on a web page helps you reach the intended destination directly. When the results appear, look carefully for the official Solflare site. Avoid sponsored links, check that the branding looks correct, and look for a secure connection indicator in the browser. Once you're confident you found the official result, click it to open the site. On the Solflare homepage, look toward the upper right of the screen for the option that says Get Extension. This is the direct link to the browser extension page. Click that and you'll be taken to the Chrome Web Store listing for the Solflare wallet. On this page, take a moment to review the publisher name, the description, and the permissions the extension requests. Verifying these details is a good habit that helps you steer clear of imposters. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome. Your browser may display a confirmation prompt explaining the permissions. That's normal for trusted extensions. Confirm to continue, and the download and installation will begin automatically. In just a moment, you should see a message that the extension has been added. That's it for the installation. From here, you can open the extension from your browser's extensions menu to proceed with wallet setup at your own pace. Remember to keep your recovery information private and backed up safely offline, and only connect your wallet to sites you trust. You're now ready to use Solflare to explore the Solana ecosystem.